तुमको एक फाड़ू चीज दिखाता हूँ. There are shared experiences when you go on a trip. There are shared emotions when you go on a trip. But this was something beyond. Guys, look at this, man! This was something magical. And this was my best emotion. Wow! Yo, good morning and welcome back to my channel, guys. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We have reached Taupo. So this was the first day of our trip, and this is the second part of the vlog. As I told you guys कि मैं वो vlog के 2 part बनाने वाला था because there were 2 different days and I didn't want the 2 different days to clash. So that's the reason why I'm making 2 parts, and this is the second part. So yesterday you saw that we went to a couple of places. We went to Hobbiton. It is 8:30 in the morning. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है. We are still in Taupo. There's a place called Taupo in between Auckland and the Snow Mountain. So आज हम Snow Mountain में जाने वाले. I'm very excited, man. I've never ever seen snow in my life. And that's the reason why मैं सबको हमेशा पूछता था कि snow कैसा होता है, and you know how does it feel when you take it in hand and stuff. Like I remember मैं हैदराबाद में आइस वर्ल्ड नाम की जगह है, पता नहीं कुछ ऐसा ही नाम है, तो वहाँ पे मैं आर्टिफिशियल स्नो के साथ खेला था, बट दैट डजंट गिव यू द परफेक्ट फील, राइट. मैं बाहर भी नहीं पड़ सकता विदाउट माई ब्लैंकेट, मैन. इट्स सो कोल्ड. I'm gonna do my daily thing, take a bath, brush my teeth. So I'm gonna have my breakfast. You're gonna see some crazy shots today, like insane. I've seen pictures of my friends जो अभी recently जाके आया है. Okay guys, so we just finished our breakfast. हमने घर पे ऑमलेट ब्रेड वगैरह बनाया था, and we had some soup वगैरह. We actually decided to go out in a cafe and eat, but then we decided to save some money, and we're going to the mountain now. But before that, we met a guy from Netherlands. His name is Max. Say hi to him. So he wanted to go back to Auckland, so we are dropping him on one of the highways here, and he's going to hitchhike the whole way back to Auckland. He's got a flight tomorrow, and he's going to Netherlands. Yeah. Back. You're Dutch, right?
Yeah, Dutch.
He's
so
Dutch.
I go back to Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Any Dutch people watching, man?
38 hours flight, so we'll be
28, is it?
38
38 hours.
I have 11 hours transit in Sydney.
Oh, that's actually too long, man.
Yeah, bro. But yeah,
wow.
Like I can finally get back home. So like 2 flights got cancelled now.
Yeah.
Now it's finally.
You're happy to go back, see your family and stuff?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Like I've been here for 6 months, so it's great for me. I've traveled for 2 months, so it's all good.
You like New Zealand overall?
Yeah. Especially the South Island. I said to you as well. Like it's lovely here.
I was just asking him how's the South Island, and that's what he was telling me. It's very, very beautiful. Maybe before I leave, अगर chance मिला तो मैं definitely visit करूँगा.
Yeah, it's a country I really enjoyed and I really liked. So
yeah, man.
I also have some contacts here, like that I met along the way. Some people that live here, so yeah, like if I come back, I also have addresses where I can stay, so it's very.
That's cool.
Like it's like I definitely want to come back one day. Yeah.
You've made good friends.
Yeah, exactly.
That's good. That's like good thing about the country, right? The people are very friendly.
Yeah, very friendly. Also with hitchhiking, like in Europe, it's way harder than here, for example. You know.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, people don't stop.
Not so fast. Thank you very much, boys.
No worries, man.
Really appreciate it. It was nice to meet you.
Same.
It's nice to meet you guys. Have a good day in Mount Rupehu. I hope you can maybe have some time to ski or whatever. And
man.
I see you guys maybe
see
on the way
you,
back. I don't hope that I see you again because I hope to be back in Auckland already.
Man.
But
I hope you get a ride soon.
Exactly. But if so, then I still have like an alternative, you know.
Sure, definitely. Oh my God, dude, सामने क्या sexy दिख रहा है. Wow. Guys, we're halfway there, and the snow has started to show already. हम बीच में एक lake पे रुके थे. We took a few drone shots, and that was epic. And now we are going towards the Snow Mountain. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life, to be honest. Guys, so we are 30 minutes away from the mountain, and this is how it looks like right now. I don't know what to say, man. Like, मैंने इससे ज़्यादा beautiful चीज़ मेरे life में कभी नहीं देखी है. Very honestly, like जितना अभी आपको दिख रहा है ना, इससे this is like 100 times better, man. Like holy shit, we are in a desert type area right now. पूरा यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, and the roads are clean as the mountains are amazing. Oh man, wow! Thank you so much, God. I'm so blessed. Guys, look at this, man. Shit, गाड़ी आ गई थी. What's up? ठंडी नहीं लग रही तेरे को? बंदे ने सिर्फ दो कपड़े पहने हैं भाई, कुछ भी नहीं पहना है। And I'm like here, this is our He-Man man, इसको कुछ नहीं होता। गाड़ी के विंडोज खोल रहा था हर 2 मिनट मेरे को तंग करने के लिए पीछे। ठंडी नहीं है। Guys, we are 10-15 minutes away from the place and look at this. Imagine जो लोग यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, जिन लोगों का यहाँ पे घर है, imagine उनको रोज सुबह उठकर क्या देखने मिलेगा. Like just imagine. Wow, man. Guys, we have finally made it to the top and this is how it looks like, man. I mean, पूरा अब तक ऊपर नहीं गए. There's a lot to go ऊपर और ऊपर हमको actually pay करके फिर you have to get a ticket and then वहाँ पे रोपवे से कहाँ पे तो भी जाना होता है and there's a lot of things. But यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा spot है जहाँ पे बहुत लोग रुके थे गाड़ियाँ पार्क करके. So we decided to wait here and I mean, I'm not going to say anything, man. I'm not going to say anything. Just watch everything that I show you. Something for the vlog. कभी आया तू यहाँ पे पहले?
It was last year.
कभी?
June, July.
और इतना ही बर्फ थी. ये साइड लोग खेल रहे हैं. There's a park here. पता नहीं क्या है, उसके भी पैसे लग रहे हैं. हम अब तक ऊपर गए नहीं है. But नीरव was saying कि कितना पैसा? $100. $50 ऊपर जाने में और $50 नीचे आने में. Exactly पता नहीं क्या है. That's a sunset view, man. Oh my god. क्या, like I can't say anything else, man. This is the most beautiful place I've ever been to. Guys, so finally after like 1 hour we came here and this is amazing. Like this is the best place I've ever been. I caught snow in my hand for the first time ever. It's 4:30 5 o'clock शाम के अभी और यहाँ पे sunset 5:36 को हो ही जाता है. So almost it's sunset time. So the trolleys that I was talking about, these are the ones. So ये हमें ऊपर तक लेके जाती है पूरे माउंटेन तक. The mountain is like there. यहाँ पे 4 बजे तक बंद हो गई थी और हमारा एक्चुअली बीच में प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. मोहम्मद की गाड़ी के टायर्स से धुआं आने लगा था. So we had to stop and diagnose the problem. But now it's okay. हम यहाँ पे थोड़े से लेट पहुंचे but definitely we made it. Because हमने डिसाइड किया था कि इतने दूर आ ही गए तो let's not just go back without seeing the actual mountain. Okay guys, so मैंने बहुत सारे बचपन से जितने भी मूवीज देखे I always wanted to do this. So I'm trying this out. And एक इंडियन भाई फिल्म करने को मदद कर रहे हैं मेरे को. So shout out to them. Very stupid, but yeah, I had to do this once in my life. पंजाबी भाई पापा टोटो से आए, ऑकलैंड सिटी से ही आए यहाँ पे. So from the same city, well I live in the city, but वो कैमरा पे आना नहीं चाहते. चैनल का नाम है राज तांबट. ओके, चेक करो या फिर जस्ट डालो इंडियन इन न्यूजीलैंड, मेरे वीडियोस आ जाएंगे वहाँ पे. ठीक है, चलो भाई, गुड नाइट. सो बेसिकली वी आर डन विद द टूर. सारा कुछ खेल बिल के हो गया है एंड इट्स 5:30 so we are leaving now. And it looks beautiful, man. This was the best experience I've ever had in New Zealand. I'm so glad that we did it. हम यहाँ पे नहीं आने वाले थे आज because हमारे कार का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. But then we decided to come here, which was the best decision ever. सुबह से लंच नहीं किया है, 5:30 हो गए हैं. हमने थोड़ा सा ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया था वहाँ पे लॉज में ही. We're gonna go to a hotel and eat something first and then head off. I hope you guys liked the video. I have taken a lot of efforts to vlog this one for you guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So that's it, man. This beautiful location. I hope I see this again. I'm definitely coming here if I get a chance. And yeah, magical. As I always say, take care and peace out, boys.